Hi, I'm Dr. Kinnera Reddy. I'm a consultant plastic surgeon at Star Hospital. And today we are here at Personiks Nallagandla for a very interesting hands-on workshop on various cosmetic surgery procedures. So it's basically a 3-day procedure which gave us a vast exposure to multiple procedures, from HT liposuction in both females, men as well as transgenders. It also showed us the different kinds of implants for breast and buttocks, as well as we also saw the fat grafting and very important tricks which are involved in cosmetic surgeries. So Dr. Karna sir there needs no introduction, and he's been a very good mentor to most of the young plastic surgeons. And the best part about him is sir is very passionate about teaching. And he got us a lot of interest in, he made sure that we take part in all these training programs, because plastic surgery is a very interesting branch compared to the other medical fields, because it not only involves a lot of art, but we need to stay very much updated to the current trends and the advanced techniques that are involved. So we are very fortunate that he got us exposed to the national faculty as well as international faculty this time. So we've got the best of the world's experts coming over to Hyderabad, and this not only helps us with a lot of exposure to the advanced techniques that are happening across the globe, but also helps us refine our techniques and in fact give the best outcome to the patients that we deal with on daily basis. So I'm extremely grateful to the entire team of Personiks, especially Dr. Karna sir, and thanks a lot for this exposure.